But if you have your phone or an app or anything like that, you can. Let's explode this for you guys. Are you guys all ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah, I don't That's funny, Nathan. Yeah, Biff's like already he's like grinding his hands together like yes. So anyway, Nora, and anybody else who's worried about me going to the PC, that's why I want a capture card because I still want to play PS4 stuff and PS3 games, and as long as I'm here to hang out with you guys, we can play anything. What? How did that? Must have been a void under there or something. There we go. That's what we call strip mining. Yeah, perfect.